Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need any help regarding blog post formatting and uploading, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can embed and customize YouTube video in WordPress blog post. Firstly, I will show how you can do this for Gutenberg Block Editor. After that, I will show for the Classic Editor. So I am going to my website all post section. I am going to open this test post in Gutenberg Block Editor. Total 5 method I will show for Gutenberg Block Editor. So first method we will use YouTube blog. So I am going to copy this YouTube video URL. After that I will come to my post section and I will click on plus add block and I will search here with YouTube and select this YouTube blog and paste that video URL and click on embed. So that video is embedded here. And for the second method, I will use embed block. So again, click on add block, then search with embed, select this embed block, paste that video URL, and after that click on embed. So video is embedded. Now come to the third method. We will use video block. Again click on add block icon, search with video and select video. After that, as we are going to embed video, so we will not upload or we will not select media library. We will click on insert from URL. Click here and paste YouTube video URL, and in the right side you will get a submit or apply icon. Just click there, your video will embed. Now come to the fourth method. This time we will use VideoPress block. So click on add block, search here with VideoPress and paste your YouTube video URL, click on embed, video already embedded. Now come to the fifth option. Our all previous video we embedded with the URL, but there was no way to customize the size. If I want to customize size, something like this size, or could be this size, or could be this size, as my expectation, how I can do this? Now I will show that method. So fifth method is we will use custom. Okay, come to the YouTube video section, click on share. After that click on embed, then you will get this embed code from the YouTube. This is the iframe code with width and height. Okay, after that here you will get few customization option, like from which minute or what second you want to start your video. For example, I want to start or play this video on my embed after 2 minutes. So if I select these things here, it will be include on my embed, like start 120. It will start from 120 second. So you can, if you wish, you can select this one, and below there has other embed option, show control, player control, enable privacy enhance mode. So if you need those options, you can select. So I am going to copy this code and come to my post section, click on plus add block icon. After that search here with custom HTML. So this is the custom HTML block, and paste your video embedding code here. Save draft. Let's see the view preview. This is the first method, YouTube block. Second method, embed block. Third method, video block. Fourth method, VideoPress block. And fifth method is custom block. You see, top 4 method displaying as like same, because that embedding was done with YouTube URL. I didn't use any custom code. But for the fifth method, I use custom code. That's why this size is small. And if I wish, I can make it bigger. I can make it center. As my expectation, I can do as many customization. So let me show you how you can make this customization. For example, I want to make it bigger and I want to keep it center. So come to post section and I am making it zoom. Okay. So the inside this iframe, there is width 560. For example, I want to make it 750 and height is 315. I want to make it 422 and save draft. Give a refresh. You see, now it's little bit bigger than previous, and I want to make it center. So for center, I'm making it zoom again. Okay. For center, we need to write small code here, like center opening tag, and add, after this iframe code, add center closing tag. Perfect. And save draft and give a refresh. You see, right now this video is on center. I am sharing a tricks which one you should use. You may confused. There is lots of way, 5 way, but which one would be more convenient, more faster to load? So if I give a refresh, then you can understand easily. For example, I am taking this page here and giving a refresh. Let's see which one is loading fast. You see, this one loaded fast. I mean, custom HTML block is better to use. So I will recommend you to use this option for your blog, and it will load faster and it will not harm your website speed. Okay, so let's come to Classic Editors. I will show how you can embed your YouTube video in Classic Editor. Now I am opening this post in Classic Editor. This is the Classic Editor and I want to embed video here. There is no such kind of block. So we need to use custom HTML code in Classic Editor. Come to the YouTube, click on share, same as like Gutenberg custom block. Click on embed, copy this embed code, and if you need below customization option, you can select. Just copy this code, come to your website post section in Classic Editor where we want to embed this video below this headline. So select it and click on top right corner text option, this option. So click on text, and after this headline I want to paste that code which one I took from YouTube, that iframe code. And as you already know how you can give width and height, so I am giving the width 750, height 422, and if I want to make it center, I have to write the center opening tag and the center closing tag. Perfect. So click on save draft, click on visual. You see this video is already embedded here, and its width is 750, height is 422 pixel, and its center. So if you need to customize the width and height, you can do it very easily. Just go back to the text option. After that, just come to your YouTube iframe code and add your desired width and height. That's all. So click to the view preview and you see this video is already embedded here. So that was the method for embedding YouTube video in your WordPress blog site for Gutenberg Block Editor or even Classic Editor. Both way already I described in this video. So it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.